What up guys, Mayan here with another video. This video I'm celebrating that I passed the 1,000 subscriber mark and it's really exciting, and I thought what better way to flip my studio around and to give you a brand new tour. Alright guys, let's get to it. Before, I used to have everything on the right side. So one thing that I decided to do, to make it a little bit more cozy is I actually started adding kind of like a U-shape idea of where I would be making music. So right here to the right, you're gonna see my modular synthesizer, which is pretty cool to make some sounds. I have it all tied up with the Launchpad Mark III, and let me show you guys. So, and right now I was just like messing around with some sounds that I made with the rings and clouds. So that's kind of interesting. Cable management is one of like my biggest pet peeves, and yeah, it's kind of annoying. So I have different clamps and everything just to make sure that I'm able to show different angles of the studio. The other thing is that I moved I had the Sub 37 right here, right in front of me, and I just decided to do a little bit of a change. I added the Octatrack and then the analog rhythm. I mean, those things are amazing. I can control anything from here. So like right now, I'm gonna be controlling the Analog 4. So that's kind of fun. I'm able to control that there. The sequencer with this thing is amazing. I'm also able to use the sequencer of the Launchpad Pro, and yeah, everything just works really great. I also move my Avantones like right over here, so I can be able to like hear when I'm mixing like the mid and high range. Raise the monitor a little bit. I think that it makes it a little bit easier to work. Then over here, I do have the Apollo Twin that I use especially for like mixing videos, and then I do have this Cranborn Audio 500 series lunchbox / audio interface, which is amazing. And then over here, we do have the expressors. Then we have some Lindell preamps, and then the Little Labs. This one's like really crazy when it comes down to like chunky bass lines and kicks. It's really amazing. If you can get the plugin, you should do that. And if you can get this thing, it just sounds really great. Then everything gets plugged into the multi-clock. That thing is just, I don't know, it's the brains behind the operation, keeps everything together. Then right over here, we have the Sub 37, amazing synthesizer. Then right under it, I have some pedals. This is kind of like my pedal station. I probably need to do something better with it, but I ran out of room, so that's kind of like the idea behind it. Then after that, I do have the Zoya. The Zoya is, I got it for my birthday, and honestly, I haven't even like touched half, or not even like 10% of it. Amazing. Then I do have this splitter because I have a couple of other synths. Right here I have the Korg Mini-Log, amazing synthesizer as well. I do have the Analog 4, my first Electron machine, and then I do have the Digitone, another amazing machine. Then I do have a couple of other like pieces of gear laying around. As you see, I do like apples, so apples always have to be here at the studio. And my beautiful masks from Guatemala. So that's kind of like the idea. Then to do the videos that I've been doing for you guys, I run this setup. I do Canon cameras. So I have two Canon cameras and this like Ninja thing recorder, which is great. Then I also have this recorder because I burnt my other one, so I had to get this MixPre 3 to record my voice for voiceovers for videos. Then over here I do have a GoPro, a normal GoPro, to capture more angles here in the studio. Hey, how's it going? So running two cameras, all running through there. No, it's not ATA, it's ATEM Mini. And this is like the mic when I'm like talking to it. So another cool thing that I did which is really fun. I'll show you guys. Is that I actually added some color and some groove to the studio whenever I'm working in music and I'm not shooting videos here. So I added some strips down here to give it a little bit more ambience, and I'm gonna bring in a little bit more lights and colors to this. But then if I'm just working on something else, I'm using this lantern. So yeah, let's see what else is fun. Oh yeah, so another cool addition is that I was able to use Ableton to run the ATEM Mini, and I have this template that I'm able to like press play and it changes the camera angles, so I don't have to be like messing around with that. I'll probably get into that in another video for all of you guys who are doing live streams. It might be worth checking out. But other than that, everything that you see here, it's so I could like make more music for you guys. All right, guys, this was my studio tour. Thanks again for joining my channel. Thanks again for making this possible, as my channel has grown and now I'm over 1,000 subscribers, so it's really cool. All right, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about what I use here, please let me know. It'll be amazing to help you guys out. All right, enjoy your weekend. Peace.